Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're in the market for a versatile and powerful woodworking tool, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 hybrid table saws on the market, highlighting their features, performance, and overall value. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a passionate DIY enthusiast, a hybrid table saw can offer the perfect combination of power, precision, and portability. With their robust construction and advanced features, these hybrid models are designed to tackle a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. To learn more about each featured hybrid table saw and to access additional information, including detailed specifications, customer reviews, and where to purchase, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Now let's dive into the world of hybrid table saws. Grizzly Industrial G0771Z Table Saw. The Grizzly Industrial G0771Z hybrid table saw combines the best features of contractor-style and cabinet-style table saws to provide a versatile and powerful woodworking machine. Built with a precision ground cast iron table and extension wings, this tool provides a sturdy work surface for precise cuts. The durable cast iron trunnions, securely attached to the cabinet, ensure long-lasting durability and smooth operation. Featuring an easy glide fence system, this table saw allows for quick and accurate adjustments, while the T-slot miter gauge enhances versatility in cut angles. The inclusion of a 10-inch into 40 T-carbide tip blade ensures high-quality cuts right out of the box. Safety is prioritized with the quick-release blade guard and riving knife system, allowing for easy and swift changes when needed. The combination spreader/riving knife helps prevent kickback, ensuring a safer woodworking experience. Additionally, the 4-inch dust port enables efficient dust collection, keeping your workspace clean and improving air quality. Despite its solid construction, the Grizzly Industrial G0771Z table saw remains relatively lightweight for easier mobility. Shopfox W1837 Table Saw. The Shopfox W1837 hybrid table saw offers the perfect combination of portability and functionality. Powered by a 2-horsepower, 120-volt by 240-volt motor, it delivers reliable performance on a 120-volt, 20-ampere circuit. The precision ground cast iron table, along with steel wings, provides a spacious and stable work surface measuring 40 1/4 inch into 27 inch. With a generous rip capacity of 30 inch to the right and 15 inch to the left, this table saw accommodates a wide range of cutting tasks. Equipped with an enclosed cabinet bottom and a 4-inch dust port, this table saw ensures efficient dust collection, keeping your workspace clean. The lift-off fence with front/rear locking ability enables quick adjustments and secure locking for precise cuts. It stands out with its quick change blade guard featuring anti-kickback pawls, enhancing safety during operation. The interchangeable true riving knife adds further protection, particularly for non-through cutting operations. Convenience is also a priority, as the table saw comes with a built-in kickstand-operated mobile base. This allows for easy mobility and relocation within your workspace. The blade guard assembly, including a clear guard and a spreader/riving knife, promotes operator safety by providing visibility and preventing kickback. Delta 36725 T2 Table Saw. The Delta 36725 T2 table saw is a powerful and reliable tool designed for professional use. Equipped with a powerful 1.75 horsepower contractor-grade motor, this tool effortlessly handles hardwoods and delivers consistent performance. Its 30-inch rip capacity enables working with large stock, while the stacked dado capacity of 13 by 16 inch into 8 inch expands cutting possibilities. This table saw features a smooth and dependable adjustable belt drive system that reduces vibration and extends motor life. The cast iron tabletop, along with the 2 stamped steel extension wings, provides a sturdy and durable work surface. The heavy-duty rail system ensures precision cuts every time, and the legendary Biesmeyer-style fence system offers exceptional accuracy and repeatability. When it comes to capacity, this table saw doesn't disappoint. It offers a generous 30-inch rip capacity, allowing you to handle large pieces of material with ease. Additionally, it provides a 3:1 by 8-inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and a 2:1 by 4-inch cutting depth at 45 degrees, giving you versatility in your woodworking projects. Jet 725,004K Table Saw. The JET 725,004K table saw is a high-quality and reliable tool designed to enhance your woodworking experience. It comes equipped with several features that provide convenience, safety, and improved performance. The newly designed Arbor lock allows you to change blades quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. With the quick-release riving knife, changing the knife becomes hassle-free, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. The improved dust shroud around the blade enhances dust collection, keeping your work area cleaner and reducing airborne particles. One of the standout features is the convenient magnetic paddle switch, which ensures the safest operation possible. This switch allows for easy and quick shut-off in case of emergencies or unforeseen circumstances. In addition, this table saw is CSA certified, meeting strict guidelines and electrical requirements to provide added safety and peace of mind. With a 5-year warranty, 2-year warranty for commercial or industrial use, you can trust in the durability and longevity of this table saw. Powermatic PM1000 Table Saw. The Powermatic PM1000 table saw is a premium tool that combines efficiency, simplicity, comfort, sturdiness, and safety to deliver exceptional woodworking performance. Efficiency is maximized with a blade surround and collection hose, ensuring unobstructed dust collection for a cleaner work environment. The simplicity of the Arbor lock enables one-handed blade changes with minimal tools, saving time and effort during operation. Comfort is prioritized with ergonomically designed 7-inch handwheels that provide momentum, making blade height and bevel adjustments easy and convenient. The sturdy construction of the precision ground cast iron work surface with a beveled edge ensures smooth operation and precise cuts. Safety is paramount, and this table saw features a toolless guard assembly with independent side leaves, promoting safe usage while still maintaining ease of use. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this table saw offers durability and reliability for long-term use. Thank you for watching our video on the best hybrid table saws. We hope you found the information and recommendations helpful in your search for the perfect woodworking tool. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.